So here's a slightly more advanced way of using an under-the-door tool, this time not to bypass an ADA-compliant handle, but to bypass a deadbolt. First, we're going to start by hooking the top of the thumb turn with our steel cable. Then we're going to double back and hook the bottom part. Now we apply firm tension with the steel cable and apply pressure to the thumb turn with the tip of the rod. This may require a rocking motion, but the steel cable ensures that we maintain a solid anchor point. It's pretty difficult to use this technique on older locks with small thumb turns, but it is possible. And we're in.